welcome to Ready Set Demo from Elizabeth's Craft Room, where I am having my first ever Black Friday offer. Now, this is only going to last 4 days, so Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday until midnight on Mountain Time on Monday. So get it while you can. And it's a bog off, so for every £10 class that you buy from from Ready Set Demo from Elizabeth's Craft Room, you will get a free class of your choice. So you get to choose two and you only pay for one of those. Now, if you want to know more about this, then have a little look down below at our links where you can find the blog post with all of the information and some FAQs for you. But it's really simple. Buy a class, get a class, and we've got technique classes. We've got fancy folds, lots of those. We've got things like my lovely stationery box that's up there. All sorts of different things for you to choose from. There's no limit, so if you want to buy 1, 2, 3 classes and then get 1, 2 or 3 free classes as well, you can do that too. So the reason I'm doing this, you may wonder, because I've never done this before, is I've got some tech bills coming up. I've got to pay for MailChimp, I've got to pay for Canva, I've got to pay for various other things, Tailwind and things that I use to be able to run Ready Set Demo. So in order to pay for some of those, I am hoping this will help you to help me on my channel. So thank you very much for dropping by today, and go get yourself some bargains.